So we are at the Argos Center on the USF campus in Tampa, Florida.
And here it is.
Yep.
It looks very decrepit, like it's abandoned, but
Yeah.
does it?
Oh, the call station's over here, and I think it's just down.
A US call station too.
Yeah, and it's just down here on one.
Does it work?
No, it should work. Just the doors are kind of hard to open.
I don't hear anything.
I think it's here. It's just unless no, the elevator is down here. You just have to.
Oh.
Yeah, doors don't open automatically.
Yeah.
As you can see, people are storing their bikes in here.
And it's very dark in here.
Yeah.
It's got the light going.
And as you can see, it has like a rear door, although it's locked off.
Looks like the light's broken.
Yeah, they are.
Okay, well.
All right, you want to riot?
Yeah, I'll let you go move the doors. I can get it.
Yeah. Well, it's really heavy.
I'll help you.
Okay, wait, just a sec. On three. Or you want to help? 1, 2, 3.
I'm gonna chop my hand off.
Wait. There's like I can push it now. There we go. This is. The door is just crazy heavy.
How watch.
It's very dark in here.
Okay then.
And it's low on oil.
Yeah, and it overshot the floor a little bit.
Yeah.
But here we are on the second floor. For capacity. Not sure if you can see it, but look at those beautiful fixtures.
Yeah, I'm gonna get a look at them when you're done.
Alright, down. This is obviously a hydro.
Yeah.
I wonder if Eastern was actually a rotary distributor or a Dover distributor, given how old this is.
Who knows?
But here we are.
Oh, yeah, you can kind of see up the shaft.
Yeah, you can. You know what? We'll give this one more ride.
Alright, I'm gonna film up the shaft.
Well, yeah, I will too. Ugh. It did overshoot the floor.
Yeah.
And there's no rear door on this floor.
Yeah.
It's an 88 phone which is added, but other than that, this is obviously totally original. And we'll go back down.
I would get a cab view on the way down, but like it's just way too dark in here.
Yeah. I'll get another cab view when we get out and the doors are open before we shut it.
Yeah.
Alright. Listen. Can't really hear the relay, but look at that. You can kind of see the light from above. Here we are on the bottom floor, and let's open up. This is my second freight elevator.
There's a handle down here.
Okay. Okay. Let's see if I can move it.
Need help? These doors are a struggle.
Oh,
There you go. Alright.
here we go.
Yeah,
Okay.
these doors.
I was a little worried I was
Okay.
going to injure my hand opening it, but there's
Yeah, they're
open.
they're really heavy
The
doors.
doors are really dusty.
Also, you got a capacity plate up here.
Get those fixtures.
Yeah. And again, you've got a phone that was
Eastern
added
elevator.
on.
And it's a hydraulic freight, obviously.
Yeah. And you can, I don't know, actually, you can kind of a little better view up the shaft. Not by
Of course,
much,
you got
but
your US square call button, which is vintage, but not original.
again, the cab is kind of rusty.
But hey, it exists.
Exactly.
Alright.
Alright.
Shut it. We'll get
And
the
then-
door.
Here.
which is a security door, not a Kiwi. Yeah.
Really heavy doors.
Yeah.
Alright.
There it goes.
That'll be it.
And that'll be it.